Well, first and foremost, it's really exciting to be here with our new IonSense brand, first and foremost. So this is the first event we've come to since launching our new IonSense brand, so really exciting time for us. And a really important one, being able to help our customers understand the two parts of our business, our instrumentation and our sensors side, so it helps our customers to really navigate to where they need to find us and to find the products that are really relevant to them. So a really exciting time for us and delighted to be here. So we've also released a connection and a transmission board. They sound very simple on the surface, but ultimately is trying to make our customers' lives, especially our new customers' lives, easier. So the purpose of these products is to help facilitate the integration of our PIDs into their wider systems, their exciting concepts, their exciting products. So enabling them to better take what is arguably a complicated component and integrate it into what might be a more complicated system as well. So really trying to smooth out that journey, make that process from going from zero to fully functional much easier. And we really pride ourselves in our ability to work closely with customers to help with integration. So the word partner gets thrown around quite a lot, but it's a really important word for us. We genuinely like to partner with our customers, help them really realize their product and get the best out of our product, so ultimately everyone wins. So that's a really important aspect of what we do and how we operate as a business.
We're here to listen. We know how complicated it can be to integrate a sensor and then support it in life. And we really value every bit of contact we have with our customers. We're here to help. So please come onto our website and please engage with us. We're here to help you.